Welcome to Destroying a Hot Tub 101. This is how we do it. Let's go see the hot tub. Our goal, get this hot tub into that truck. How do we do that? By taking it apart one piece at a time. So let's do the power of editing. Dun, 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 dun.
Maybe we should move Mars then.
Feels good. And done. Just kidding, I have a lot more to do. Stupid. Do we need that? Ew, it's sticky. I gotta wash my hands. Let's get better than that. Alright, next item. Oh, that poor panel. I don't care. Piece 1,890. Yeah. Oh, look at this great technology. Great technology. Oh yeah! Sheesh. I better use the power of editing right now. Nope, don't feel like it. Ooh, wait, this is the perfect thing to make fun of my panel with. Remember, kids at home, always wear protective goggles. Like me. LED lights. Goodbye. Oh, hi, didn't see you there. Good. Pump trash. Watching safely at home. Slim, how's the noise doing?
Really highly debated as days continue on why the Ravens.
And turn that garbage into this brand new sunroom where my mom likes to nurture her plants. Well, that's all for today's video. Like and subscribe if you want to. Peace out.